So guys, in this video we'll look at how to enable bracket pair colorization that is now native to Visual Studio Code. Earlier, for the same purpose, we used an extension known as a bracket pair colorizer. You can see it here. This extension was being used, but now this feature is native in Visual Studio Code. So to enable it, what we'll be doing is press Control, comma. It will open settings. In settings, press type color and just enable this feature. Click here. It will enable the native bracket pair colorization in Visual Studio Code. So now let's check it. So here we can say we have bracket pair colorization. Now if we disable this, it won't be working. Again we'll enable. So that's it.